We are past the first week of kids being home from school, and I know that all of you parents are looking for things to do that will get your kids outside and occupy them, something fun that they can do that they're still learning something. Everybody loves the sight of birds in their backyard, and now is a really great time to get some new birds into your yards because lots of birds are migrating at this time of year, coming from the south, making maybe a little quick pit stop in Wisconsin, or maybe hanging out in your yard for the season. So we've got a couple of quick little crafts that you can do with things that you have at home. And one of them is to make a bird feeder out of either a plastic juice or milk carton, or you can use paper too. All you want to do is just cut some windows so the birds can get in there, and then some little holes so that you can put a stick through, a skewer from your barbecue, if you've got some garden stakes, anything will work. And then the kids can decorate them, which is the really fun part. So you could use markers and maybe draw on them. I think stickers are really fun. We have these really great sticker books here at the Garden Center with all kinds of animals and plants. This is one of my favorites. This is the one for 4 season stickers. It's got tons of stickers in them. They're really colorful, and it would be a really fun thing to do. Then you just tie a piece of twine on it and hang it up, fill it with birdseed by a window, and then watch and see who visits. Another fun project to do for birds is if they're gonna stick around in your yard, they're gonna need someplace to nest. And you may notice if you ever saw like a robin or a mourning dove putting a nest in one of your potted plants or a hanging basket, or a nest that's built in your eaves from like a barn swallow or something, that there's a lot of stuff in there besides bits of grass and twigs and that kind of nonsense. Birds are super opportunistic, so they'll look for anything that they can use to weave into their nest. So this is something that we have in the Garden Center. This is a wreath. It's got feathers and it's got bits of excelsior, that's like threaded wood things that people use for packing, different kinds of wool. And it would be super easy to get like some kind of frame and just sort of tie this stuff on there. It's just stuff you have around your house. You can, if you don't have a frame to build a wreath, just any kind of net bag will work too, because the birds will just pull stuff right out from these holes. If you've got bird feeders, or not feeders, but bird houses, and you want to, I would definitely clean them out, and then you can give the birds something new to put a nest in. The only thing I wouldn't put in here would be things that are synthetic, like bits of plastic twine. You could use jute, or you could use yarn if you have a knitter or a crafter in your house, all kinds of stuff. So get those kids outside in the backyard, get them scouting for our feathered friends, and see who you can attract to your backyard. Maybe if you get somebody really special, take a picture and post it on our Facebook page. We would love to see it. Happy spring from all of us here at the Bruce Company.